Hi guys, so I received my Bluetooth figure speaker. So here it is. This is it comes with a black box. So here's the frame, and this side it says here action figure Bluetooth speaker, and this side here it has the O's name written on it since I purchased the O speaker, and then the back side it comes with like the label, and yeah, right. So there actually we could put the speaker, and yeah, so I'm gonna open this. I need you, girl. 내君は一人いつも味方で I need you, girl. 내僕は一人君へ惹かれて The box is like this. So there's another box. So alright, so here's the inside. Okay. So the first thing you'll see once you open it is this QR, this photo card. So yeah, oh, it looks so nice. The backside is really nice, and yep. Alright, then there's serial numbers. So in here, which I believe, oh, okay. So here's the sticker. Oh, it's so cute. Sticker is so cute. Oh my god, I'm like a big fan of stickers, seriously. Like, this is also a sticker, I think. Oh yeah. And here's the manual, which I'm gonna read it later. And then here's the speaker in here. Let's see. Oh, there's something down here. Ah. This is the I think this is the USB plug. Come with a dots back, and here it is. Oh my god, so cute. So, alright, so here's the speaker, which is really cute. Can it stand? Oh yeah. So here's all the things. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye!